Yeah guys, welcome back to another update on Choi. We'll just be talking about Choi-wan. We're not talking about 90W or 93S because they are irrelevant here. So I'll quickly show you the models. That's the track. It's meant to make landfall in the Philippines. This is only probably going to be a 1 minute video guys, or 2, I don't know. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Its center circulation is off over here, which it looks dead, to be honest with you. That looks completely dead. Look at that. All the main of its convection is affecting the Philippines with the rainfall, and yeah, this is what shear does to tropical storms. See this little convective here, this is the center here. I'll show you some satellite imagery as well, because you might be able to see the satellite imagery a bit better. This is what I'm currently using, because Weather Nerds is really good. I like Weather Nerds. Weather Nerds is really good. It's better than Windy, I think. Well, Windy is good. I think it's better than some of those other tropical weather people out there. And can you make sure you subscribe, because I want to get to 100 subscribers by the end of this year, and I can't get there without you guys, so please subscribe. This is, wait for it to load guys, this is, see, right, let me zoom in. This is the storm right now. Obviously I'm going to zoom in. This is becoming night time in the Philippines now. This is the center of circulation. You see how it's pushing more towards the coast. Next one, mouse. Yeah, there. So yeah, that's just a quick update guys. So if you like detailed breakdowns, so go to like and subscribe, comment, share, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video, and I'll have some more tropical stuff when something forms, I guess, or I might just do some severe weather. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and tweet me on thingy. So yeah, anyway, you all have a good day. Hope you all stay safe from these hurricanes and typhoons and cyclones, and I shall see you all in the next video. In peace, and goodbye from me.